Welcome back, everyone. I want to thank you for joining me. Devin with 605 Sports Cards. It's been a couple weeks since we've done some Prestige. I did not do any of the Mega boxes yet. All I bought were the H2 boxes. It's been a week or two, and we're obviously over around Thanksgiving time out trying to find some deals on gifts and came across some Mega boxes, so couldn't resist buying some. They've been very good to a lot of people. There's a lot of 101s, some cool veteran autos. Obviously, you still have a chance for some of those rookie autos, but for me personally, I think I'd be more excited to catch some of those veteran autos that you don't see all the time. You know, Deion Sanders, I know, has some stuff in here. Would love to pull a 101, but that's not my lucky area. Do have my fair share of good cards, but the 101s still elude me. So I picked up like 4 of these from Shields when I was out and about. We're going to do 2 of them. See how it goes. Let's get them both on plastic here so I don't got to go back to it. So 3 numbered parallels, I believe, out of these. The H2s are just about double the price of these Mega boxes. You do get 10 numbered parallels out of there. But these are going about every other one hitting an autograph, or pretty close to that. So let's get into box 1 here and see how it goes. So these are from Shields, one of my favorite places to go for my shopping. These have 42 cards in them, kind of. I mean, compared to the H2s, which are around about $80, compared to 45 on these. I think you got 100 cards in the H2 boxes, so you do get a lot of more cards for your dollar. Where these are just over $1 a card, pretty much. So you do spend a little more per card. Oh, showing off the back card there, which is hopefully be our first numbered card there. Mike Gesicki. Taylor, we don't spend too much time on the base. They've all been seen. The rookies still in their college unis. And Luke Musgrave. There's a DeMarcus Ware on Living Legends. Good looking inserts. And we have a Zach Ertz at a $3.99 for our first parallel. So we are going to get 3 of those per box here compared to the 10. One of the higher numbered ones. Hopefully this will get skunked on these 2, so we should continue to go grab another one to rip. Alright, box 2. Sean Alexander. And we do have a backwards card. I know the extra points parallels they do in here do show up backwards, and there's a Witherspoon, I think, has been back or in his Illinois uniform and everything so far. So let's see. Looks like it's probably just going to be a parallel here. The extra points, I don't remember what this one is. I think they're like Galaxy and the H2s. But so that's the version in this one. We have Any Given Sunday and Kid Reporter. So if you have an autograph, it'll be in that where that Prestige extra points parallel was, or insert. J.J. Watt, and they put them all backwards. That way you can find out when you get there. There's a nice Anthony Richardson rookie. Jack Campbell. And we'll have a Darrelle Revis on the extra points. Good looking inserts. And we have a numbered rookie here of DJ Turner for Cincinnati Bagels out of 50. Kind of like 60 for a second, but yeah, out of 50. So there's a nice shorter one, nice rookie card. Should have one more numbered parallel. And if we're lucky, we'll have an autograph in at least one of these boxes. Seems like your average is to hit one every other. Kenny Pickett, Justin Tucker, Tua Tuipulotu for a rookie card. And Darian Williams is our other rookie. And I don't think this one is also just going to be one of those inserts for Dexter Sr. on the extra points, and Micah Parsons time stamped. So one of these should have our last insert, and it's going to have an auto too. Right? Has to. Alright, Kirk Cousins. There's a Bryce Young rookie. I feel like those are coming a little earlier. These are the third card. We do have something different here. Oh, this is a drip. So we have a case hit, and it is a rookie, and it was Christian Gonzalez for the Patriots. So very nice pull. These are really cool cards. They got kind of a haven't seen one or pulled one yet or seen too many, but this looks really good. They kind of got a out of, I want to say it was Donruss, that kind of painted feel to them. So they got some texture. Very cool card. And was looking really good this year before he got hurt. So hopefully he can come back next year and keep it going, because that is awesome. So we have a case hit, a drip out of here. And that is one of them. You can do also find a City Limits, which is kind of a die cut. They look really good as well. So no autograph in this one, but maybe something better with the rookie drip of Christian Gonzalez. We have Aaron Jones and Jamal Williams for the record. So first box, I mean, oh shoot, we have one more pack. We're not done yet. Maybe we will find something else. Be pretty sick to have an auto and that drip in the same box. All right. And they are going to put a backwards card in there for us just to give us hope. That's not a prestige one. So rookie card of Riley Moss. Maybe he's Wiley, I don't know. Darnell Wright, and don't look like it's going to be a rookie, it is, or a auto. So we got Grant Delpit. Haven't seen much of him. For the Cleveland Browns. Not sure who that was. But prestige. Here's our numbered card. These are probably my least favorite numbered cards. They don't really have a whole lot. I like some shiny stuff, you know. The color cards here, these parallels look really nice. This one just kind of blank out of $3.99. But hey, we got a case hit in our first box. So already this is a successful rip in my eyes. Those are really cool cards. I've seen them for sale, but I did not realize they kind of had the canvas feel to them. All right, let's get into our second box here. Rookie drip, Christian Gonzalez. Here we go. And we are through there. Another Sidney Brown rookie. Devon Chain. We have our autograph redemption waiting on for him one of these days. Hopefully it shows up. While he's injured all this time, he could take some time to sign some stuff. So Nolan Smith, a rookie. And any given Sunday, Daniel Jones. Yeah, if we can pull that drip and then hit a autograph at a second box, that'd be really cool. All right. Through Mark Brunell, taking him back a little bit there. Another Nolan Smith. There's a Christian Gonzalez base, a rookie. And a Lawrence Taylor. Doesn't be numbered or something. There's our first numbered parallel. Lawrence Taylor. I think they usually put those backwards. And a Broderick Jones. Sometimes it's easier to flip these around. So that is out of $3.99 to read the names, because they do the names in the same color as the background of the card, kind of, on those parallels. And we'll separate those numbered cards out. Box number 2 is going to have some fire in it to beat box one. I mean, Christian Gonzalez drip, not the best one you'd hope for. I mean, obviously you'd want Stroud or somebody, but for defensive rookies, that's a very good one. And Jonathan Taylor. To our rookies, Joey Porter Jr. There's an Aiden O'Connell, your now starting quarterback for the Raiders. Holding them a little low. Jeffrey Simmons, extra points. And a Keenan Allen out of 199. And if you watch, what was my first Black Friday video? Pulled one of his rookie autos from a 2013 box. So a very nice car. They'll go well together, I suppose. They can pair them up. Sell them as a package. And this is pack number 4. Just always waiting for some card to pop up now. I got one the first one. Mac Jones and Devontae Adams for the record, which was one of our numbered parallels on the last one. We only got 2 numbered parallels so far, so one more. Hopefully we can pull an auto. Like I said, it's about every other box, but they might decide a drip is good enough. Joe Mixon in our autos. Zay Flowers have his on-card auto out of the H2 box. And a Devin Achane. So probably not going to be an auto here just because I don't think he's signed in anything yet. A nice extra points though. And there's a time-stamped Harrison butt kicker. All right, here's our final pack. Hope you guys enjoyed this. This is a pretty fun product for $45. I was a little nervous being $42 cards for $45. Kind of not a high-end product, but that case hit feels really cool. Those are nice cards. They're a little thicker, maybe. They're probably still 35 point, but they're nice cards. Good canvas feel. We'll take a closer look at the end, see how she looks for grading-wise. Since might as well get him graded because he ain't going to be back this year. Tucker Kraft, a local guy from right up 45 minutes up the road, where he played college ball, and Dorian Thompson-Robinson. His cards are going really fast, too, for selling. And no autograph. So then we have a Joe Mixon on the Prestigious Pros. I don't know if that's a blue, probably. Numbered to 99. So not bad there on the numbered cards. All right, let's do a little recap. Box 2, our numbered parallels. Joe Mixon, Keenan Allen out of 199, and Broderick Jones to 399. And our 3 numbered cards out of box number 1. A Devontae Adams to 399. DJ Turner to 50. And Zach Ertz to 399. And the big hit overall is Christian Gonzalez on the drip. I mean, those are really good looking cards. Picture wise, they didn't look as good as they do in person. These are really cool. It's hard to tell how centered it is. I mean, you could probably kind of go off the D, the P. It looks pretty good top to bottom, the distance between the Prestige and the name there. I mean, it looks pretty centered. Corners look pretty good. I mean, these are cool cards. So, hey, that will do it for this video. Now, if you guys like the content and you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Going to be ripping a couple times a week, hopefully. And leave a comment. See what you guys think about Prestige. I know it's been pretty popular with everybody. It's a not an expensive product, and you do get, I mean, a stack of rookies, obviously college uniforms, but some good autographs, a lot of numbered cards. Fun product for the price. It's going to be tough to beat, but hey, we enjoyed it. Nice Christian Gonzalez drip. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.